Guys, what's up? I hope everyone is feeling fine. Okay, I made this video to sing a song on a request, RWDI NINI YAK, which has been released a couple of days ago from ADJ Production, casted by Maxina from Manipur and Mithun Debarma from our very own state. And yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank by Anima for having me on your project and giving me this beautiful song. I really enjoyed. And yeah, this is the second project that we had worked together. The first one was Tulung Tulung and the second one is this RWDI NINI YAK, and we have got some more few projects in the upcoming days, so I'm really excited for this project as well. So without any further delay, let's get started with the song. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my video, and if yes, don't forget to share. And if you have any other song suggestions, you can write in the comment section below, but it has to be my song only. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.